Hi everyone, welcome to Arttutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create neon light handwritten calligraphy in Photoshop. In this tutorial, you learn how to create a custom brush to write a calligraphy and how to make it look neon light kind of thing. So without any further late, let's get into the tutorial. To write the text, I need a custom brush. For that, I have drawn a square with mark tool and filled with black in another layer. To draw with equal proportions by using mark tool, press and hold Ctrl Shift and drag the mark tool so that you get a square shape. And to fill it with color, if it is foreground color, press Alt Delete, and if you want to fill with background color, then press Ctrl Delete. And now I want to define this shape as a brush. For that, go to Edit from the menu and choose Define Brush Preset and name it whatever the name you like. And that's it, your brush has been created. So now you can use it, and also you can make it more dynamic. For that, go to brush settings and make the spacing to 1% and make the circle shape to oval and turn it a little bit diagonal. So when you draw with that brush, it will make different edges in different angles. Okay, now I made my brush more dynamic. Before I'm going to write anything in that layer, I have applied a layer style outerglow, so that when I write something, it looks like light glow. And to make it more appeal, I have filled background layer with black. And now you see that I'm writing. It's looking like more light glow. And go to outerglow settings from the layer style and tweak the values until you feel it look better. Play with contour shapes and see which one you like it more. Now I'm writing in my own style. I'm not that much of good at calligraphy, and if you can write better, that's good. I want to give some background to my text, so I have searched for brick texture in Google and I choose the one that I liked most. And I copied it here and pasted it to the Photoshop so that it will paste in Photoshop in a different layer. I want the texture to look little bit of darker. For that, I have applied a layer style color overlay and choose darker blue, and the blend mode I put it to soft light. Now you can see the brick texture is looking some more darker. I have taken soft brush and drawing on the outer edges to give it vignette. and keep the vignette layer blend mode to linear light. And now I'm drawing other shapes in another layers and applying them outer glow layer style with different colors. You can use any colors you want, tweak with the values and colors that you like. For the tutorial purpose, I'm using my preferred colors. This is how my final art looks like. Thanks for watching, and if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Please tap on like, comment about our video, and please share this video to reach it to more learners. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Arttutor. Bye bye.